Hey there, let's cook up a chill Afrobeat in FL Studio. So I'm going to be previewing some loops from the Lecky Melody Loop Kit. If you want it, link is in the description. Okay, I want that one. So I'm going to drag it in here. I'm going to use the tempo. You can use any tempo you like, but let me just, this wants to be chilled. Let me just go with the tempo that comes with it, 95. And it's always tempo matches, automatically. But I'm going to bring in the stems because I want more flexibility. I may not want the loop to play all through in this manner. All right, so let's go to the loop. So this is melody loop 7. So I'm going to go to the stems, then loop 7, and this is the stems. Drag and drop all of them. Like just take out the main one out. So let's create a drum pattern. Let's use the tems premium kits. All right, let's go with that kick. Then let's look for a simple rim. We need to reduce the volume of these loops, so we can just highlight all of that, then reduce their volumes. Doom, doom. But let me change the kick to a harder kick. All right, then let's add some percussions. Let's use this. And let's layer the rim shots. All right, so copy this, paste it in here. I'm going to EQ this. I think it's a bit too sharp. Link it to the mixer. Then load up Fruity EQ and just shave off some high end. Pause. Nice. Let's add our hearts first. Add maybe a shaker sound or something. Let's close one shot and come to shaker loops. Let's try this. Sync it up. Not bad, but let me try something else. Let's pitch it down and see. And the good thing with this melody loop is that if you're not familiar with playing chords or you don't know how to play chords, it also comes with the MIDI. So if I come back to this guy right here, You can see flamingo MIDI, just trace it, number 7. You can see this is D major, so I can just drag and drop. But first, let me load up a plugin, Pure Lo-Fi. I like this default preset. On the piano roll, then drag and drop. Make sure your snap to scale is off, then drag and drop this. Accept. Adjust the volume. Then I'm going to move this guide, make it like a counter. Nice. So you don't need to add too much when you have like a complete melody loop like this, because there are so many parts to it, the pads, the guitars, and all of that. So let's see what will happen. Let's see how this guitar sounds like. Nice, I like that. So I'm going to bring that guitar in. See, there's a bass that comes with it. I don't need to play my own bass. I can just use that. You can choose to play your own bass if you want to, or add a different character of bass since you already know what the MIDI chords are. Then just adjust this. But I'm just going to keep it at that. Then I'm going to arrange this. Let's push it all out. I want the chords to start first. Let's say to sound with the guitar. Then I want the drums. I think this may need to go out a little bit more, maybe to like 88th bar. Then after 8 bars, this would be a verse. Then after 8 bars, we have the pre-hook. We have the hook. We have the verse 2. They will just have an outro, just a simple arrangement, nothing crazy. So what I typically do for my hook, I like to bring in most of the elements. Then for the pre-hook, it's going to be like a bit stripped down version of the hook. You don't want the pre-hook to be as intense as the hook. So I'm going to have this here. I recommend typically just pick maybe 2 or 3 sounds from your main hook. I'm going to highlight this, and highlight this, and just repeat it. Now I think I'd like to add a string in the hook. Okay, use that. Let's copy the chord, go to a new track, paste it in there. Then piano roll. paste it in here, then use a different string. And I'm going to link all of this to one mixer track, or I really want to like mess with it, to use an EQ and shape it. So this is the final arrangement. Let's hear from the top.
Purchase your tracks today. Purchase your tracks today.
And that's pretty much it. So let me know what you think of this beat. And if you want this melody look kits, just click the link in the description or visit our website, sctutorials.com, to get this Lecky melody look kit. Cheers.